Don't download Mailchimp Enterprise Campaign Hub app before watching this. Before you download Mailchimp Enterprise Campaign Hub, here's the reality. It's more than an email marketing tool. At the enterprise level, Mailchimp provides advanced automation, CRM integration, and analytics, but most teams get this wrong by skipping strategic planning. Step 1. Segment your audience. Enterprise Mailchimp allows detailed segmentation for personalized campaigns. Most people get this wrong by sending generic emails, reducing engagement and conversions. Step 2. Automate campaigns. Set up triggers for welcome emails, follow-ups, and promotions. The surprising truth is, poorly planned automation can overwhelm subscribers or fail to convert leads. Step 3. Integrate with CRM and e-commerce platforms. Without integration, customer data is incomplete and insights are limited. Step 4. Analyze performance. Track opens, clicks, conversions, and revenue. Teams that monitor metrics can optimize campaigns and improve ROI. The upside: proper Mailchimp Enterprise implementation can increase email engagement by up to 30%, improve lead nurturing, and streamline marketing operations. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team can segment effectively, set up smart automations, and analyze results. For smaller businesses, standard Mailchimp plans may suffice. Subscribe for honest insights to avoid costly enterprise marketing mistakes.